Hey guys, Apple doesn't make this easy to get free ringtones, but there are clean, safe ways to do it, right? One of them is you can use the GarageBand app, right? Download GarageBand for free, import any audio file, MP3 or WAV, trim it to 30 seconds, tap share, ringtone, name it, and export it. And go to settings, okay? Sounds, and choose it. Okay, so after you've done that, go ahead to the setting. Alright, sounds and haptics. Go ahead to the ringtones and just go and look it up. Okay, and you're gonna find it somewhere. Alright, method B, download ringtones from third-party websites. Right, go to Safari and just head over to zedge.net, mobcub.net, tone7.com, okay, and download the app, okay, and download the MP3, import into GarageBand, and export as ringtone, okay. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.